My name is Grant Jones, and I am a machine operator for the fin presses at Colmac Coil. I run a machine that takes a flat roll of aluminum and punches it through a fin press and creates a fin that you stack up to make the core of a coil.
Here at Colmac Coil Manufacturing, we manufacture industrial refrigeration equipment. The machine operator role is a very critical position within our company. We form metal components and then assemble them to basically manufacture that heat exchanger for the industrial refrigeration or whatever market it is going to.
To be a machine operator, you can start right out of high school with a GED. You don't have to have any special training. Prior to that, you can just come right here and they will train you.
A machine operator at Colmac Coil could be anything from running the laser for producing sheet metal components, to running a brake press to forming those components, to running a fin press for stamping the fins.
I originally started working here as a welder right out of high school, and they trained me on welding. I welded here for about 2 years, and an opportunity for the fin press came up, and I figured I would try it out. I appreciate Colmac having a lot of faith and trust in me. It makes me feel satisfied when I leave, knowing that they're satisfied with the work I've done.
Learn more about careers and career paths at careerexplorenw.org.